On April 14, 2016, Dauphin County, the United States government issued a biohazard emergency. This is not a drill, and this is not a test. Repeat, this is not a drill, and this is not a test. The Dauphin County Police Department found several reports of citizens who were previously missing, roaming around the streets with savage and aggressive behavior. A parasite has been found inside victims' bodies, coming out their noses. The symptoms of this parasite include coughing, nosebleeds, anemia, stomach aches, and rabies. If you or anyone nearby have shown any of these symptoms, contact local authorities and quarantine yourself or anyone showing symptoms. Failing to do so will result in termination and death. Airports and boat docks have been temporarily shut down until further notice. Authorities and government officials are currently locating the parasite's original location and attempting to eradicate anyone showing symptoms who are too far gone. Research is currently being studied about these new parasitic beings and what citizens can do to prevent being affected by them. We advise you to keep your device on in case updates are present. May God be with us all.